Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently, I started seeing ads everywhere for a product called the Quick Effect Coating Agent. The commercials make it look incredible. They show people spraying a simple liquid onto faded, scratched-up cars and instantly transforming the paint into this deep, glossy, mirror-like finish that supposedly looks like a professional ceramic coating. According to the marketing, this spray can restore shine, remove scratches, repel water, protect your paint, and give your vehicle long-lasting ceramic-style protection within seconds. The before and after clips look dramatic, almost too good to be true. And honestly, that's because they probably are. Before we continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We are not promoting or attacking any company or product. Everything discussed here is based on publicly available information, product analysis, and customer concerns intended to help viewers make informed decisions. Now let's start with the biggest issue, the ceramic coating claims. Real ceramic coatings are advanced paint protection products typically made using silicon dioxide or similar compounds that chemically bond to a vehicle's paint surface. When properly applied, professional ceramic coatings can create a durable protective layer that lasts months or even years. But products like Quick Effect Coating Agent appear to work very differently. Instead of forming a true long-term ceramic bond with the paint, many experts and users online claim this is essentially just a temporary surface-level spray similar to inexpensive detailing products or quick wax coatings. In other words, it may create short-term shine and water beading for a little while, but that's very different from the permanent or semi-permanent protection the ads strongly imply. And that's where the marketing becomes misleading. Another concern is the exaggerated visual marketing itself. There are also customer complaints mentioning streaking, uneven finish, residue buildup, fading shine after a few washes, and disappointment with durability, especially on darker paint colors where imperfections become more noticeable. Now let's talk about another major red flag, the sales tactics. The websites selling products like this often use aggressive urgency marketing. You'll constantly see countdown timers, limited stock, warnings, massive discounts, and claims that the product is part of some revolutionary automotive breakthrough. These pressure tactics are commonly used to encourage impulse purchases before buyers take time to properly research the product. And then there's the issue of rebranding. Many online users have pointed out that similar spray products appear under different names across multiple websites and marketplaces. In some cases, nearly identical bottles, videos, and product descriptions are reused over and over again with different branding attached. That has led many consumers to believe these are low-cost generic detailing sprays being heavily marked up through viral advertising campaigns. In fact, some people have found very similar products on wholesale platforms for extremely low prices compared to what these websites charge customers directly. Now, to be fair, some buyers may still enjoy the product as a temporary shine spray or quick detailing solution. But that's very different from the professional ceramic coating replacement image being pushed in the ads. So when you step back and look at the exaggerated claims, flashy marketing, temporary results, and questionable advertising tactics, it becomes clear that Quick Effect Coating Agent probably isn't the miracle paint restoration solution it claims to be. At best, it appears to function as a short-term gloss spray. At worst, many consumers may end up paying premium prices for an ordinary low-cost detailing product marketed with unrealistic expectations. If you're looking for real long-term paint protection, it's usually smarter to research trusted detailing brands or professional ceramic coating services instead of relying on viral social media ads promising instant transformations.